All of you are welcome to this lecture for algebra. Today we will find inverse of a function. If the function is given, then its inverse exists if it is both 1, 1 and 1, 2. That means if function is bijective function, then we can find inverse of the function. For example, find the inverse of the function. F from closed interval 0, 1 to closed interval 0, 1 defined by f of x is equal to 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. It is given that f is a function from closed interval 0, 1 to closed interval 0, 1 defined by f of x is equal to 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. First we check whether f is bijective. For that we check it is 1, 1 or 1, 2. We check 1, 1 function whether f is 1, 1 or not. For that consider 2 points x1 and x2 belongs to closed interval 0, 1. What is the definition of 1, 1 function? If for given 2 points of the domain set of the function f, images at that point are equal, means if x1 and x2 belongs to domain of function f and they satisfying the equation f of x1 is equal to f of x2, if this gives that two elements of the set x1 and x2 are equal, then function f will be 1, 1 function. Now consider x1, x2 belongs to domain set of f. The domain of f is closed interval 0, 1 and consider f of x1 equal to f of x2. By definition of function, in this example, the function is defined by f of x is equal to 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. Hence, f of x1 will be obtained by replacing x by x1 in this function. Then we get 1 minus x1 upon 1 plus x1. f of x1 is obtained by replacing x by x1 in this function. In this equation, then we get 1 minus x1 upon 1 plus x1. In the same way, we find f of x2 as 1 minus x2 upon 1 plus x2. Taking cross multiplication of both sides, we get 1 plus x2 into 1 minus x1 equal to 1 minus x2 into 1 plus x1. Taking multiplication of each term of the bracket, 1 minus x1 plus x2 minus x1 x2 is equal to 1 plus x1 minus x2 minus x1 x2. These minus x1 x2 minus x1 x2 are cancelled from both the sides. Also this one is cancelled with this one. What is the remaining term? Minus x1 plus x2 is equal to x1 minus x2. Now we shift x1 towards one side and x2 towards other side, the term of x1 on first side. Then x2 plus x2 is equal to x1 plus x1. If this minus x1 is shifted towards right, it will be plus x1 and this x1 is same. Hence right side of the equation is x1 plus x1. If we shift this negative x2 towards left side, it will be plus x2 and this plus x2 is same. Hence these are 2x2 is equal to 2x1. Implies x1 equal to x1. Therefore, if we consider what we consider f of x1 is equal to f of x2, then x1 is equal to x2 implies f is 1-1 function. This 1-1 function is also called as injective function. Here f is 1-1 function. Now we check whether it is onto. For that, we are given that f of x is equal to 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. What is the definition of onto function? For if f is a function from x to y, then for given y belongs to y codomain set, there exists x belongs to domain set where f of x is equal to y. If we consider any element of the codomain set, suppose that is y, for each element of that corresponding element, there exists a corresponding element x belongs to domain set, small x belongs to capital X, where f of x is equal to y. Then the function will be bijective function. If for each y belongs to y, there exists x belongs to x, for which f of x is equal to y, for which f takes image at point x as y, then is bijective function. Therefore, if f of x is equal to y, we need to find the value of x for which f of x is equal to y. If we consider f of x is equal to y, what is the defined function f of x? F of x is 1 minus x upon. If f of x is equal to y, then we need to find x belongs to x. Or in other way, we also say for y belongs to y, if f of x is equal to y, then we need to find x belongs to x, for which f of x is equal to y. If we consider f of x is equal to y, what is f of x? F of x is defined as 1 minus x upon 1 plus x is equal to y. We want the value of x, so we solve this equation for x only. Implies 1 minus x is equal to y into 1 plus x. This implies 1 minus x is equal to y plus xy. We want the value of x, hence we consider all the terms of x on one side. 1 minus y is equal to x plus xy. This implies 1 minus y is equal to x into 1 plus y. Hence, the value of x is equal to 1 minus y upon 1 plus y. This is the value of x. Hence, if for given y belongs to y, f of x is equal to y, we consider f of x is equal to y, then there exists a value of x belongs to domain set. The domain set of this function is this closed interval 0, 1. This x belongs to closed interval 0, 1. Here also the y set is what? Codomain for the function here, and that is closed interval 0, 1. And this x set is domain set of the given function, and that set is closed interval 0, 1. Therefore, for any given value of y in closed interval 0, 1, we can find the value of x belongs to closed interval 0, 1, which satisfying the equation f of x is equal to y. Hence, the function is onto function. Therefore, for given y belongs to closed 0, 1, because here domain and codomain both are same, that are closed interval 0, 1. For given y belongs to closed 0, 1, there exists x belongs to closed 0, 1, where f of x is equal to y. implies f is onto function. Hence, f is one function. Also, f is onto function. Therefore, f is a bijective function. Therefore, f is 1 and onto. Hence, f is bijective function. If it is bijective, then inverse of f exists. And what is the inverse of x? It is denoted by f raised to minus 1. F inverse is exist. And it is a function from again closed interval 0 1 to closed interval 0 1. Defined by f inverse of x is equal to 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. What is the definition of inverse function? If f is a function from x to y, then if f is a function from x to y which is bijective function, then f inverse exists, and f inverse is a function from y to x. Is inverse of function f if g of y is equal to x whenever f of x is equal to y. This function g is defined by from the set y to x. If f is a function from x to y, then its inverse will be a function from y to x, where g of y is equal to x whenever f of x is equal to y. Here we considered the function f inverse as inverse function of the given function f, that is a function from codomain set of f to domain set of f. Here both the sets are equal, closed interval 0 1. Hence f inverse is a function from closed interval 0 1 to closed interval 0 1. Defined by f inverse of x is equal to 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. Why? Because it gives whenever f of x is equal to y. If we consider f of x is equal to y, then from that equation f of x is equal to y, we are getting the value of x as 1 minus y upon 1 plus y. Therefore, if f of x is equal to y, then f inverse of x is 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. See, what is this value? 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. Now we see the two definitions, that is image of a subset and inverse image of a subset. If f is a function from x to y, that means x is domain set of f and y is codomain set of f, and a is subset of domain set of f, that is a is subset of x, then image set of the set A, where A is subset of x. If A is subset of x, then image set A under the function f is f of A. Then image set of A under the function f is the set f of A, where f of A is subset of y. F is a function from x to y. A is subset of x. Suppose this is set x. This is set A, that is subset of x. F mapping elements of x to elements of y by some rule. Then, if A, for given subset A of x, we can find image of A, that is f of A. That f of A, that set of image of A denoted by f of A is a subset of 1. Okay, if A is subset of x, then image of A under the function f is f of A. That is the set which is subset of codomain set of f, that is f of A. and it is given by f of a is equal to y belongs to y. This set contains the elements of y that satisfying the relation y is equal to f of a for a belongs to a. This set can also be written as the set of all images of the type f of a where a belongs to a. For each element of set A, we consider image of that element, small a. If small a belongs to set A, then f of a and elements of the type f of a forms a subset of the set y. That is what the image of this set capital A under the function f. F of a is given by set of all points of the form f of a where a belongs to capital A. Inverse image of a subset, if f is a function from x to y and b is subset of y, if f is both one-one and onto function, then inverse of f exists, and if b is subset of y, then we define inverse image of b under f. This is the symbol for inverse. F inverse is inverse function of given function f, and f inverse of b, this is what? The inverse image of subset of y. Inverse image of subset of y. Now we are considering this subset of y as b. This is the set y, this is the set x, and f inverse is a function from y to x. Consider a subset of y. This is b. B is subset of y, then image of set B under the function f inverse is the subset of x. This is f inverse of B, and this set is the inverse image of the set B under the function f inverse. If f is bijective, then we can find its inverse. That inverse will be from set y to set x. If f is a function from x to y, then its inverse will be a function from y to x. If we consider any subset of y that is in the form of suppose capital B set, then its image under the function f inverse is f inverse of B, which is a subset of x, and elements of f inverse of B are given by f inverse of B is equal to x belongs to capital X, where f of x belongs to B. Now we see some examples on the same topic. If f is a function from R to R, defined by f of x is equal to x squared. Then find the image of set A equal to -1, 1. Under the function f. F is a function from set of real numbers to real numbers given by f of x is equal to x square. We want to find image of the set -1, 1. This is a subset of set of real numbers. In this definition, what is f of a? It is the collection of all the elements f of small a where a belongs to capital A. Therefore, image of set A equal to -1, 1 is given by the set f of A equal to that contains the element of y belongs to capital Y. Here capital Y is the codomain of the function f, that is again set of real numbers. Y belongs to R where f of y is equal to f of a for a belongs to a. How many elements of a are now? There are only 2 elements of a. Hence we consider a value is minus 1 and a value is plus 1. In both the cases, what we get? Y belongs to R, where y is equal to f of 1, because a takes two values of the set A, that is minus 1 and plus 1. Hence y is equal to f of 1, and secondly y is equal to f of minus 1. This is equal to y belongs to R, where what is f of 1? What is the definition of f of x? F of x is x square. Hence f of 1 will be 1 square. Y is equal to 1 square, and in second case y is equal to minus 1 square, because f of x is x square, f of minus 1 is minus 1 to the power 2, minus 1 square. This is equal to set of all real numbers that satisfy the equation y is equal to 1 or y is equal to 1. Hence, this set is a singleton set, that set contains the element 1. This is what image of set A under the function f. What we considered? We considered the element of capital A set, and we used that elements in this function. That is what? This is a subset of codomain set of f, that is set of real number. This set contains real numbers where that real numbers satisfying the property y is equal to f of A, for A belongs to capital A. But capital A contains only two elements, minus 1 and 1. By using both the elements in this equation, we get y equal to f of 1 and y equal to f of minus 1. By given definition of this function, in this example, f of x is x square, hence f of 1 is 1 square and f of minus 1 is minus 1 square. Hence we are two values of y equal to 1 square, y equal to minus 1 square. Both gives same value, that is 1. This is what the image of a set A under F. Now we find the inverse image of a set. Because this function is not bijective function, as this function is not one-one function, therefore it is not bijective function. Hence we cannot find the inverse image of any subset of real numbers under the function f inverse. Here the inverse of function does not exist because function f is not a bijective function. Since if we consider minus 1 and 1 belongs to x1 is minus 1 and x2 is 1, belongs to a set of real numbers, and if f of x1 is equal to f of x2. What is f of x1? x1 square by definition of function. What is f of x2? x2 square. But which are the values of x1 and x2? Minus 1 and 1. Hence this value is minus 1 square is equal to 1 square. 1 is equal to 1. Therefore, if f of x1 is equal to f of x2, then x1 is not equal to x2. This implies x1 is minus 1 not equal to 1, which is the value of x2. F of x1 equal to f of x2 implies x1 is not equal to x2. Therefore, the function is not one-one function, hence it is not bijective function. So, we cannot find inverse image of any subset of real numbers under the function f inverse, because f inverse does not exist, as f is not one-one function, hence it is not bijective. Therefore, f inverse does not exist and we cannot find inverse image of any subset of R under this rule. So, we consider another example, f from R to R defined by f of x is equal to x cube. Then find f inverse of B, where the B set is given as singleton set 1 and we will find the inverse image of two sets F inverse of B and F inverse of C, where B is singleton set 1 and C is the open interval 0, 2. See, this function is 1, 1 as well as onto, because if we consider f of if x1, x2 are two real numbers and f of x1 equal to f of x2, this implies x1 cube is equal to x2 cube. By this definition, f of x is x cube, hence f of x1 is x cube and f of x2 is x2 cube. Cubes of both the elements x1 and x2 are equal, hence by taking cube root of both sides, we know that there are only single cube roots of each element of set of real numbers. Hence, x1 cube is x1 and x2 cube is x2. Therefore, if f of x1 equal to f of x2, then x1 equal to x2. Hence, the function is 1, 1 function. Also, if for y belongs to R, f of x is equal to y, that is x cube is equal to y, then we get the value of x as cube root of y. Taking cube root of both sides, we get x belongs to R. Therefore, for given y belongs to set of real numbers, we can find any x belongs to real numbers where that x satisfies this equation f of x is equal to y. Implies f is onto function. Therefore, both f is 1, 1 as well as onto, hence f is bisective function. And hence f inverse exists. It is given by f inverse function from R to R. What we have to do? We have to find the inverse image of set B and C under the function f inverse. For that, we know the function f inverse. What is the definition of inverse image of a set? F inverse of B, where B is subset of codomain of function f, is equal to x belongs to x, where f of x belongs to B. By this definition, what we get? F inverse of B as what is a set B? B is a singleton set 1. Hence, F inverse of B, by this definition, this is the set of all x belongs to x, because here domain set of f is real numbers, x belongs to R, where f of x belongs to B. F of x belongs to B. What is the set B? B is only the singleton set 1. This is equal to x belongs to R, where f of x belongs to this set 1. This set contains only one element, hence we take f of x is 1 equal to x belongs to R, where f of x is equal to 1. What is f of x? F of x is defined by x cube. This is the set of all real numbers where x cube is equal to 1. See, this is the equation x cube is equal to 1. If we try to solve this equation, x cube equal to 1, that means we solve this equation x cube minus 1 equal to 0. We want the solution in real number. How many solutions of this polynomial? Because it is of degree 3, x cube minus 1 is a polynomial of degree 3. It has at most 3 roots. We want to find real roots of this polynomial. If we factor this polynomial, then we get x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. Roots of this equation belongs to complex numbers. roots of this equation are in the form of -1 plus or minus square root of 3i upon 2. This element does not belongs to R. Only root of this factor, which is x minus 1. If we consider x minus 1 equal to 0, then we get x is equal to 1. This belongs to R. But if we consider x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0, then we get two roots of this equation. That means two values of x that are minus 1 plus root 3i by 2 and another value is minus 1 minus root 3i upon 2. Both these values are not real numbers, they are complex numbers. We want here the value of x as a real number. Hence, there is only one solution for this equation, namely x is equal to 1. That belongs to R. Therefore, this set is singleton set 1 because solution of this equation in real numbers is only 1. This is what the inverse image of set B. Now we find inverse image of set C, where C is the open interval 0 to. F inverse of C, again go by definition. This is the set of elements x belongs to R, where f of x belongs to open interval 0 to. What is the meaning of f of x belongs to open interval 0 to? That means f of x, the image of x under the function f, image of x under the function f lies in between 0 to 2. 0 strictly less than f of x, strictly less than 2. Okay. What is f of x? F of x is given by x cube. This is equal to x belongs to R, where 0 less than x cube less than 2. Choose all the real numbers whose cube lies in between 0 to 2. That real numbers are obtained as taking cube root of all the elements. This is the open interval 0 to. Okay. We want to find the real numbers whose cube lies in between 0 to 2. These elements. All these elements satisfying the inequality 0 less than x cube less than 2. We want to find the value of x, so we take the cube root of this inequality. We take cube root of 0, then cube root of x cube and cube root of 2. From this we get set of all x belongs to R, where 0, this is what, cube root of 0 less than cube root of x cube less than cube root of 2. This is equal to x belongs to R, where cube root of 0 is what? 0 is less than cube root of x cube is x is less than cube root of 2. What we get? We are getting the values of x that are from set of real numbers that satisfying the inequality 0 less than x cube. This means set of all x belongs to R, where x belongs to open interval 0 and cube root of 2. This set F inverse of C is set of all real numbers that belongs to this open interval 0 cube root of 2. Hence F inverse of C is the open interval 0 and cube root of 2. If we consider all the real numbers in between 0 to cube root of 2, then their cubes takes the value in between 0 to 2. That means x cube belongs to the open interval 0 to. X cube belongs to the open interval 0 to, and that real numbers are from this interval 0 and cube root of 2.